From PLCs to MQTT brokers, your plant is generating massive amounts of data. But that data rarely reaches the people who need it most. This is the execution gap. Signals stay in OT systems, action stays on the floor. The link is missing. That's why your data doesn't stop downtime. MaintainX closes the gap. It's the work execution layer for modern industrial teams, turning OT signals into timely maintenance and enriching your data with human context from the shop floor. With world-class user experience and AI assistance, MaintainX makes it easy for frontline teams to act on data. That's how you reduce downtime, improve reliability, and deliver measurable ROI from your digital transformation. MaintainX, the work execution layer for modern industrial teams.